Hello guys, hello everyone. Guys, how are you all doing, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. So guys, today I am making egg roll. Yeah, egg roll. This is just a short video, guys. So yeah, this is how I make it. As you guys can see, in my bowl I have the flour that I'm going to use. Guys, I did not use 1 kg. I use half. Should I say half kg, like 600 gram? Okay, 600 gram of flour is what I use because the egg roll that I'm going to make is not that much. Okay, you guys. So yeah, in there I have my flour, my baking powder, nutmeg. Then I just add salt. Now I'm going to be adding the sugar. Guys, your sugar is depend on the quantity of your flour. Okay, the flour that you are going to use depends on the quantity of it. That is how you will measure your sugar, guys. If you are going to use 1 kg of sugar, you know how you will measure it, you guys. Yeah, so yeah, I just add 2 eggs, okay, to the flour. I'm going to mix it. After mixing it, I add milk. This is evaporated milk, you guys. You can decide to use water, okay, whichever one that you use is good, you guys. All right, so here's my margarine. I just add my margarine inside, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to mix this very well, you guys. You can see that I'm using my bare hands, right? You can also decide to use hand glove if you want. Okay, yeah, so I'm done mixing it. I'm going to set that aside while I will bring in the eggs, guys. Yeah, the eggs that I'm going to use. I'm going to boil the eggs with this my small pot because, as I told you guys, the egg roll is not that much that I'm going to make. So yeah, the egg is ready. I'm going to peel off the skin and start frying the egg roll, you guys. Yeah, that is what I'm doing right here. I'm going to peel off the eggs. Then, yep. The video is a very short one, you guys, okay? Yeah, so yeah, after peeling off the skin, I'm going to add some flour to my palm, you guys, so that the dough will not stick to my palm. That is why you see me adding flours. Okay, this will make the dough not to stick to your hands, you guys. Okay, I'll make sure that I flat it very well before I bring in the egg. This will make your dough to be well fried. It will make it yeah, the way you mold your dough is how your egg roll will come out well. Okay, well done, you guys. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. I'll make sure that I mold it very well. I wrap it very well so that when I'm frying it, it will not pop. If you don't wrap your egg roll very well, when you are frying it, it will pop. Okay, it will pop, you guys. Yeah, I did not show you guys the quantity of oil that I add to my pot, guys. Why I usually add small oil to my pot is because this dough have weight. Okay, if you don't want your oil to overflow to flow out while you are frying it, it's a good idea for you to add just small quantity of oil to your pot. Okay, because more you add your dough, more the oil will come up. Okay, you guys. Oh, that is this, you guys. So here's another example of how I wrap my egg roll. Okay, I make sure that I wrap it very, very well. Okay, you guys. I'll make sure that I flat it so that when I'm frying it, it will not be difficult for the dough to done, because sometimes when you don't wrap your egg roll very well, it will not done inside. Okay, it will be raw inside, you guys. So that is why it's very necessary for you to flat it very well before you bring in your egg, and make sure that you wrap it very well so that your egg will not pop. Yep, you guys. So yeah, it is. I said let me show you guys. Thank you for always being here. God bless you. You guys know that I don't take your love for granted. You guys are just the best. Thank you so much for always watching my videos, for your support. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye, you guys. Bye bye. See you on my next one. So here they are, you guys. You see, the egg roll did not pop because it is well wrapped. Okay, yeah, here they are, looking so yummy and delicious. Look at it, it is well done inside. You can see inside, right? Yeah, thank you. Bye. Mwah.